both grew old, and it's always been my home away from home. I owe it all, I owe it all to the ones that taught me to love big and strong. Sunday mornings we would drive down to the beach. All of us kids piled into the backseat, run up and down the dunes and jump over the creeks. Since then